Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful feathered icing cookies. Before we get started, head over to my website meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. So first of all, you put some royal icing or glacé icing in a piping bag. I'm using royal icing for these. So I'm going to snip off the end because I want to make a border around my cookies. It's not big enough, so I need to snip that part. Yep. Okay. Just going to move these out of the way. I'm going to pipe across. Okay. And I'm going to fill this border with some runnier icing sugar. I made this with royal icing sugar, but you can make your own. If you want to know how to make royal icing, click on the link above. This is flooding consistency. To get a toothpick and ease it along there. You can use a piping bag for the borders if you want to get a thicker border. But I just wanted it as a guide, as where to put my flooding consistency icing sugar. My flooding consistency royal icing. Okay, so I need to work quickly before it starts crusting, otherwise I'll have a cracked top. Okay, I've got blue in this one, which I'm going to snip and pipe across. It's going to pipe lines across like that. And the fourth one, like that. And I'm going to use the toothpick. I'll start this side so you can see properly. Go all the way down, then go up like that. You need to go in one single line, and again like that. That's how easy it is to feather icing. You leave this to set before you serve. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.